How many times have you wanted to sit down, but there's never a seat to be found? So you carry a folding chair, but they're bulky and awkward to store. Not anymore. Introducing Ninja Stool, the new compact portable chair that lets you sit and relax anywhere. Smaller than a frisbee, Ninja Stool is lightweight and instantly telescopes into a seat, so you can get off your feet. Then when you're done, just pop shut into this easy-to-store compact size.
Wow, I can't believe this is a chair.
Ninja Stool's compact design travels anywhere and springs into action every time. It's easy. Just pull open, then hundreds of latches lock into place, keeping you safe in your seat. It's even adjustable to select the perfect height while you work outdoors or inside the garage. Go ahead, take a needed break whenever you want. Enjoy fishing without getting your bottom dirty. Or sit down and relax while you finish your projects, all in comfort. No more aching feet at the end of the day or stacks of clunky chairs. Ninja Stool's sleek design fits anywhere without taking up extra space. They're ideal to use as spare chairs for guests or large family gatherings. It even has a carrying handle to make traveling a breeze.
Look how light it is. I can hold it up with one hand.
I'm a big guy. I can't believe this thing's holding me.
Ninja Stool's even strong enough to support this heavy couch. Amazing!